After tempers flared and fists flew at the St. Elizabeth Technical High School last week, physical classes are back in session. But administrators say this is more than just restoring order. It's about restoring focus. More in this report.
At a school known for excellence, last week's chaos left a black eye on the legacy of St. Elizabeth Technical High School. But Monday morning, there was a different energy on campus. Not confrontation, but correction. Not fists in the air, but heads bowed in devotion. Physical classes resumed after a 2-day suspension triggered by a series of student fights last Wednesday. The incidents were recorded, shared, and spread across social media. Education officials say the real battle now is for the minds of the students.
And I just spoke to them about their responsibility as students in just managing their conflicts, resolving conflicts in a responsible way, managing their anger, and most importantly, the responsibility they have when they wear the uniform.
Susan Nelson-Smith is Director of Regional Education Services for Region 5 in the Ministry of Education.
Whenever a child feels threatened or there's just a conflict that they see that is brewing, this morning's address was just a reminder to them that they should speak to the adults in their lives, not to take on things themselves, because we would not want to lose any one of them.
She also addressed another growing concern of students using their cell phones to record and share conflicts.
There were students who recorded the fights and placed it on social media.
School administrators moved quickly after Monday morning's devotion, sending students into sessions with form teachers aimed at reflection, accountability, and healing.
When we met last week, one of the things that we wanted to do was to use the opportunity to look at our systems and how they are working in terms of trying to help students to make the adjustment from childhood into teenage life. So we're looking at our mentorship program.
Principal Keith Wellington says the school is now turning crisis into opportunity by bringing in mentors, specialists, and government agencies to help students navigate pressure and distraction.
It is not that they don't know wrong from right, but there are so many distractions that are forcing them down paths that are really destructive. So we are using this opportunity as one for refocusing, realigning, and certainly after reflection, hope that they will get on the right track.
And so as a family, you're going to look back at last week and ensure that all the things are put in place so that it does not reoccur.
So we'll take your advice and we'll ensure that that incident on that scale will never happen again. And the next time you come here, it will be for good news.